Today we're going to declutter the cupboard under the stairs. This is the after. We'll take you through the before and the process. Stick around. And before we dive into this video, please consider hitting the subscribe and notifications bell down below. Also, give this a like if you like it and leave a comment. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see as we go forward. Yes, the cupboard under the stairs. Not only does it make a great little bedroom, but it's a great place for clutter to accumulate. As you can see here, a lot of videos and holiday decorations, mostly Christmas decorations. And while it's not uncommon to have a lot of things accumulate in a space like this, there's just too much right now. And while much will be cleared out of here, many of the things you're seeing, the DVDs, these bins are photo albums, the records, there's more photo albums. Most of those will be staying. The dishes will be going. We'll be thinning down a lot of these DVDs, donating them. So as this space will become less cluttered, it won't be perfect. It won't be sparse with nothing existing in here. What we're doing is getting rid of the things that have no value or meaning to us. So as you're going through your own decluttering process and you're minimizing, don't feel you have to strive for perfection. It's removing a percentage of the items that no longer bring you joy or have value to you. Those are the ones you want to eliminate so you can focus more attention on the things that you do enjoy, the things that are important in your life. So this room will end up looking much better and will be easier to get into, but there will be a lot less clutter distracting us from the things that are important and the things that bring us joy. So many DVDs to sort through, and I would say about 60 to 80% of these will be donated, and the rest we will keep, and the ones we keep we will watch periodically and enjoy. These bins are photo albums and documents, and they have a lot of sentimental value and bring joy to us. And I also have a lot of old record albums, and I will be keeping probably 80 to 90% of those. Now I'll be taking these holiday bins and Christmas decorations out and consolidating them. With having this amount of buckets, I think we can pare that down to having a little bit less. And now getting these DVDs, the ones we're keeping, bringing them back in, going from just the bins to the shelves, and all the excess will be in a couple of buckets underneath. And now to vacuum out all those disgusting dead bugs and just stuff that's on the floor. A lot of cobwebs around and just remnants of things that have been here. So before putting anything back in this section, we're getting everything cleaned now that we have the opportunity with a clean slate, at least on the floor. And now in go the holiday buckets. I got this pared down from 4 buckets down to 3, so not a big change there, but it's a little more organized. And these are a couple of the extra DVDs. And here it is. The cupboard under the stairs. A lot less cluttered, cleaned, and much more organized now. The holiday and Christmas decorations will be much easier to get access to them now, as well as the DVDs, and you can actually walk in this space, which is quite different than from what it started as. And if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to see going forward as we continue putting these videos on decluttering, gentle living, and minimizing the things we have. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the get notifications bell. That way when I upload a new video, you'll be alerted and you'll be able to check it out. As always, thanks so much again for watching, and we'll see you next time.